Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Vechain. What's the current price of the Vechain? What's the prices occur in the Vechain? In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Let's see my friends the current price of the Vechain. What is the current price of the Vechain and what is the prices occur in the Vechain? At this time, the price of the Vechain is 0.160262 USD dollar is the current price of the Vechain. And on the other hand, if you look the prices occur in the Vechain, so the price change occur in the Vechain as going negative. The whole change occur in the Vechain as going negative. So personally, at this time, if you decide to sell Vechain, so absolutely you are in the loss. That is why I suggest for all of you to please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Don't decide to sell Vechain at this time friends. It's time to only hold Vechain friends. If you hold Vechain, so absolutely maybe they again start jumping in the future friends. But if you decide to sell Vechain, so absolutely you are in the profit, because we can't see about the future of the Vechain, and now at this time they are already in the pricings occur already in the negative. So they will give you are in the profit, you are in the loss if you decide to sell Vechain at this time. Don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Anyways, kindly subscribe ABS Tech channel, and for more this kind of news and updates, stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.